Listen, your healing matters because healed people see different. Healed people see different. Healed people think different. Healed people have a different perspective. When I'm not healed, I will use yesterday's pain as today's perspective. Healed people see different. They have a different perspective. Healed so much so to where you could hear what's actually being said without our wounds rewording it. I want us to heal. I want us to heal so that we can stop having the paranoia that's giving us insomnia, because the mind constantly replays what the heart fears to feel again. I want you to heal because when you heal, you see different. I don't want you to measure your strength by how much pain you could take. Like, I could turn out all of these lights and my eyes will adjust to the darkness. That doesn't mean I have night vision. What have you adjusted to that God wants to loose from you? What have you adjusted to? A revelation of rarity lowers tolerance. There's certain things that you won't tolerate once you recognize that you're rare. See, once you recognize that God has set your value to priceless, settling season is over. Because everything that settles ends up at the bottom. And I believe sometimes we've confused being the bigger person with the toxicity tolerance. And this many times starts in childhood, because our parents are supposed to be the ones that protect us. But what do you do when your parents are the ones that you need protection from? And this is how we learn lethal loyalty. We end up being loyal to lethal dysfunctions and lethal patterns, because historical trauma gives us a high tolerance for pain. And so what we'll end up doing is measuring our strength by how much we could take. But spiritual awareness is when you're able to discern those who enrich the soil of your life versus those who are just waiting around to consume the fruit. Everyone is not easily replaceable. Some are once in a lifetime. Timothy only had one Paul in his lifetime. Ruth only had one Naomi in her lifetime. Jonathan only had one David in his lifetime. Peradventure, instead of us always having conversations about haters and toxic people, I believe we should also begin to highlight the need of being healed enough where you can identify destiny shifting connections and honor those, because that's rare, because the revelation of rarity lowers tolerance.
Falling too fast, clearly rules don't apply. Can't believe that I just met you. You got me here, watching minutes pass by, wondering when to expect you. There you go, is this a dream? Looking like every picture that I've seen of you before. I've seen it all before. Now that it's over, should've known better than to think this was real and you could be mine. Should've known better, slowed it down, cause I feel you needed time. But I kept thinking this could be something, this could be something, this could be something, this could be, this could be, this could be something, this could be something, this could be something. Maybe it's just nothing at all, but this could be something, this could be something, this could be, this could be, this could be something, this could be something, this could be something. Maybe it's just nothing at all, at all, at all. Maybe it's just nothing at all, at all, at all. I guess it's what we make it.
You need hope hobbies that are going to help you to glow up, okay? Because working, eating, sleeping, and repeating is probably why you're so unfulfilled in life. When I don't have hobbies, I feel like my life is boring. So let's get into some hobbies that are going to help you glow the heck up. So the first one is dance classes, or any kind of classes where you're doing movement. So like belly dancing, you can do hip hop, ballet, R&B. Make sure you're recording yourself as you're doing these classes, because it's going to increase your confidence and you're just going to feel like an overall baddie. Like whenever I've recorded myself dance, I'm not a dancer, right? But whenever I've recorded myself dancing and then I continue to master whatever dance I'm trying to do, I feel like a baddie. Like I feel like a baddie. And if I could do that as a hobby all the time, why not? If you don't want to go to an actual dance class, YouTube choreography, like girl, I don't want to hear that I don't have money excuse. Go onto your YouTube, yeah, and flip and type out choreography for Chris Brown, choreography for whatever your favorite song is, and girl, just